Ooh, it's a wonderful day in my land. Welcome to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie. And in today's video, I'm gonna do a wash test on the WALAKut glow in the dark vinyl. Yes, some of you are asking for that, so your boy's gonna take it to the wash. I'm gonna put it on the heaviest wash using hot water, and after it's washed like for about 30 minutes, 30 something minutes, I'm gonna turn up the heat on that bad boy in the dryer so you could see if it's gonna crack, peel, will it work? Who knows? All right, so that's what we're gonna do in today's video. And if you wanna try the WALAKut glow in the dark vinyl, all you gotta do is go to Heat Transfer Warehouse, where you could get the WALAKut glow in the dark vinyl, so you could try it for yourself. And there's other goodies on the website. You could get the Cameo to help you cut that bad boy. All right, you could get sublimation product. You could get almost anything on Heat Transfer website, so go hit them up. And also don't forget the #1 vinyl in the world, the B-FLEX Gimme5. Go try it out. The vinyl stand link is down below. And also, don't forget to go hit up Econo Transfer vinyl. You like puff vinyl? Go hit up Econo Transfer vinyl. Their puff vinyl is amazing. It's also don't crack or peel as long as you use the correct temperature and you have a good machine like the Hotronix. You know what I'm saying? Go hit up Heat Transfer Warehouse for the Hotronix. But for the puff vinyl, go to Econo Transfer vinyl. Link is down below. Go check them out. Don't forget, go hit up my website. Some of you have been very supportive. Go to comfortstyles.com. Hit up my website, you know, hook your boy up, you know what I'm saying? All right. Now, let's stop talking and roll into the video. This, I've been wearing it to the gym, and people could tell, you know, at the gym I wear it like almost every day. I sweat. This thing is stink right now, so I'm gonna take it to the wash. This is the glow in the dark. You guys remember it? That's the glow in the dark. It has the logo here, and the white on the side. Remember I did it? So I'm gonna go to the wash right now, and we're gonna wash it and see if it hold up. I'm gonna do about 3 or 4 washes on it. All right, so let's go wash this. So now I'm at the laundromat, and I have, this is the first wash that I'm doing, so you guys could actually see. So I washed it, right? And I'm showing you these are, actually I didn't wash it yet. It's about to go in the wash, but I'm showing you how dirty it is and all my dirty laundry. And I use this at the gym, so you know how sweaty it is. I used it for an entire 2 weeks period. And now look, you could see even that it's a little wet. So now I'm gonna wash it to show you guys that it's still gonna work. And that's the detergent. I want you guys to see that you could wash the glow in the dark hoodie or design and it won't come off. So I'm gonna wash it on hot and normal. See, it's on hot, normal, and heavy. Okay, so now, and I'm showing you that, you know, it's hot water. I put soap in both sides, and I'm giving it 33 minutes. Hot, normal, heavy, 33 minutes. Let's go. wash is done. So I'm showing you guys now what it looks like. See? It looks real good still. Look at it. Look. Unfazed. No damage. Still good. Round 1 completed. Well, we got to dry it now. Okay, look. Just keep your eyes on it. See? Didn't peel. Didn't crack. Okay, I'm going to show you. I think I'm looking for the smaller design. If I could find it. Boop, boop. There we go. That's the logo, the pocket logo. Look at that. Ha, ha, ha. Still intact. Glow in the dark from heat transfer warehouse, baby. It's still living up to it. Let's take this bad boy to the wash. So look at that. The white still intact, baby. And remember, it was hot, heavy wash. Hot, normal, heavy wash. All right, so I'm gonna throw this bad boy in the dryer. I have my dryer sheet. I have other hoodies in there. You know, I didn't put too much stuff in there because I really want the heat to penetrate it. So that's why I didn't put too much stuff. So I'm gonna put it on high. That's the highest it go in the laundromat. And I'm gonna give it about, I believe I'm gonna put, 24 minutes on this bad boy. Pull the card out, Flex, so they could see 24 minutes on this bad boy. And I'm gonna let it go. Okay, so fast forward. Here we go. Finish drying. Boom. Show them. Come on, come on. Get closer so they could see it. There we go. Show them. That's the pocket logo. Unfazed, baby. Glow in the dark. Heat transfer warehouse. Look at that. Unfazed. Look at the big logo. Boom. Look at that. Ooh. But guys, remember, it's all about your heat press and the right temperature you got to use. Look at that. Uh-huh. Look at that. Unfazed. The white look gorgeous, baby. Still look good. Eh? Look at that. Look at all the details still there. Look. You looking? All right. So this is the second wash. I'm gonna wash it because I've been using it for the gym, and as you see, everything is the same. Okay, so this is the second time I'm gonna wash it. I washed it before, as you see, and this is the second wash. We're gonna wash this bad boy. It's going in there with all the dirty, sweaty gym clothes, and we all know how sweaty that could be. So it's gonna be on heavy. I'm sorry, it's gonna be on hot, heavy. Let's see, over here, this is normal. So that's normal right here. And that's hot. That's hot on the bottom, and it's on heavy. So we're gonna wash it. "34 minutes. Hot, normal, heavy. All right. I already put the soap in there. We're using this soap.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to...
Alright, here we go, the wash is done. And the logo is still there. Still intact, everything. Nothing is falling out. That's trash right there. That's totally garbage. That's from the machine. But anyway, look at it. Same. Nothing happened. Everything is intact. Look at that. Ooh. And this is the second wash that I did with it. Second wash. Let's go to the sleeve. See, the white is still there. Nothing came off, right? Didn't peel or anything. So let's go dry it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in the dryer so that this bad boy could dry. All right, it's gonna go in there with all the hoodies. So I'm gonna let it dry. Let's add some dryer sheets. All right. Okay, so it's gonna be on high temperature for, let's give it 1, 2, 3, 24 minutes. There we go. Okay, I used it at the gym, used it for a week, and still no crack, no peeling, still glow in the dark. So this is the third time I'm gonna wash it. All right, third wash. Just get it. See, everything is still intact. All right, third wash. Put it in there with all the dirty gym stuff. So what are we're gonna put it on. This is hot, heavy, and normal. This is normal, hot, heavy. Hot, normal, heavy. All right. And again, this is the soap I'm using. I'm gonna put soap there, soap here. I'm not playing around. All right, I already poured the soap in there. Now we're gonna start up the machine. Oh, it's low, gotta add money to it. All right, back again. Refill the card. Let's go. So remember, this is hot, normal. You can see it on this one, hot, normal. "34 minutes, I've washed." Our bad boy's about to start. Just came out of the wash, so it's wet. Beautiful still. No damage to it. Still didn't take on any damage. Look at the white. White is still beautiful. And remember, this is hot water. I use heavy wash. Look at that. All right, so let's go dry it. All right, so we're gonna throw this bad boy in the dryer. I put it with two other hoodie because I want to make sure the heat really penetrate this bad boy. All right, so let's get it in the dry. All right, so this is straight out of the dryer. See, it's still in the dryer, real hot, no crack, no peeling. Look at that. This is the small logo. This is the big one. No cracking, no peeling. Look at the white. The white is still intact. No cracking, no peeling. You guys saw all that for yourself. Yeah, I wash it 3 times for you guys. All right, 3 times, and I use hot water on normal heavy wash. That means heavy wash is usually for like jeans and thick stuff, you know, and that's exactly what I put the WALAKut glow in the dark vinyl against, and then I turn up the heat. You guys saw that. I think it was like what, 24 minutes. You guys saw that. I turn up the heat on this bad boy on the highest the machine could go, and this bad boy didn't crack, it didn't peel, it didn't come off, it didn't do whatever you think it would have done. The only thing it did was stay on. No crack, no peel, and it works same way. All right, from all that wash. So now you guys know. And remember to charge this bad boy. If you never ever got this bad boy, right? After you press it up, you cannot just say, oh, I'm gonna turn off the light and it's gonna glow to the extreme. Okay, no, you gotta charge this bad boy. You gotta give it a little charge. Like, you gotta put it like in front of a light, go outside with it, you know. You gotta charge it, and then this bad boy is gonna glow. It's like, this is the way it's gonna work, right? You get it for the winter, right? You're wearing it all day, comes dark from all day of wearing it, this bad boy is charged up, so when it's get dark outside, it's gonna glow. You guys understand what I'm saying? So don't just press it, turn the light off and say, oh, it's not working. You have to charge it up. All right, so I did all the wash for you guys, you know, because people, you was asking, and I've been wearing it. It's not like I just press it, wash it 3 times. Nah, this bad boy been wearing a lot of time in the gym. All right, I wear this in the gym, I sweat it, and I box, and I do everything in this bad boy. All right, so there you go. This held up in the wash and the dry. All right, so that's all I got for you. All right, I'm sorry, I forgot during the video that I have to show you guys what it looks like after the wash. So this is it, right? I just gave it a little charge. All right, I just really run outside real quick, did a little charge, and see, it still lasts. Okay, it didn't fall apart, but this was like, I was only like for 10 seconds just for you guys to see that it was still glow in the dark after you wash it. Keep it in mind, this is only 10 seconds, so you know, the longer you're out there, the better it will be. Let's get back to the video. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, share this video, drop your boy a comment, and tell me what else you want me to wash. All right, so I'll catch you guys on my next video. This is your boy Flex, and I'm out.